We are pleased to show you the 2022 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, anti-theft security system, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, electronic stability control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.